Thanks for dropping by the channel. After a 3-year break from drag racing and fighting several weather cancellations at my local track, I finally made it back to the drag strip. On Friday, I loaded the car up and made a 3-hour drive out to Lebanon Valley for a late season open rental. Over 250 cars attended this test and tune, and the track got a late start after having to get things dry from overnight rain. And so there really wasn't as much time as I'd hoped for to try some different stuff with the launch, shift points, air pressure, remove the air filter, stuff like that. And I found I was pretty rusty after being away from the drag strip for 3 years. Somehow practicing on the street just isn't the same, especially for the launch. So after a few botched passes, I started to get back in the groove and got the track figured out. So I got down on a couple of decent passes and reset my personal best a few times. The track was hooking really well, so for the final pass, I added another 500 RPM on the two-step for a 5,500 RPM launch. And here's that pass, which was the best pass of the day. As you can see, the car worked pretty well off the line, and I'm pleased with that 60 foot. For a manual transmission car that's still almost 4,000 pounds, that's not bad. I short shifted the 1-2 shift a little bit, which I know cost me some time, and after fighting some missed shifts earlier in the day, I was just really focused on completing all the shifts, so they're all kind of slow and deliberate. I probably set myself up for disappointment thinking this car would dip into the 10s pretty easily. Realistically, I probably need to get some more weight out of the car and modify the rear bumper or get another one that I can put on there that isn't such a big parachute. The mods are in the description if you want all the details, but basically it's our GPI Max package 2.0 on the stock bottom end LS3. It's got 463 gears in it, and it's on a Hoosier Quick Time Pro, and it weighs 3970 with me in it. Again, thanks for stopping by.